What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, if you're having problems with your dishwasher not heating and drying your dishes, then I might just have a pretty simple fix for you. If you've already checked your dishwasher for a flood switch from one of my other videos, link down below, and you don't have a flood switch, then this might fix your problem. So check this video out. If you like it, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Again, I am not a professional. I went to school for like 2.5 days. I don't know anything about these things. I'm just putting my advice out there, just trying to help people, help them learn and help them benefit from this channel. If you look down from my other videos, you'll see that I've helped people save tons of money by helping replace these parts or fix their dishwashers. Tons of people, like right before Christmas, have been like, oh man, I'm gonna have to buy a new dishwasher and I don't have money for my kids for Christmas, and I found your video and it really helped me. So I'm just trying to put these videos out there to help more people, and I hope it helps you. So first things first, what you're gonna wanna do is turn the power off to your dishwasher. And the best way that I can describe this to you is to open up your dishwasher, look at your lights on the top, okay? Go to your breaker box and you hopefully have a label that says dishwasher. If it was done right, turn that off, okay? Go back to your dishwasher, see if the lights go off, press a few buttons, see what happens. That should turn the power off. And just to double check, you might want to use a multimeter on the power connections down below, because you will be having to pull the dishwasher out. Also, I'm getting ready to tile in my kitchen. So I've got these two tiles here. Oh man, they're heavy. Let me know down in the comment section below which one you think is going to look better in here. I'm going more for the black, but I really got my eye on this one, although my floor is kind of already the same color, so I'm really liking this one. It's got more reddish hints in it too, so it'll go good whenever I replace my cabinets. Let me know. So first things first, after you've already turned the power off, you're going to want to open your dishwasher, and underneath here there's probably going to be a couple screws. You're going to want to take those loose. Look around the outside for any other screws. I don't know, some dishwashers are different. Yeah, check that out. If there's screws in there, unscrew them. Just to show you what I'm talking about, the screws will be mounted to these mounting brackets right here, and there's going to be normally one on one side and then one on the other. So just go ahead and get those unscrewed and we're ready for the next step. Also, if you've got dishes in there, you'll want to go ahead and unload those now before you start pulling the dishwasher out. And then underneath, you're going to have a couple screws you're going to want to take loose too. So normally there's one on one side. You may need a long screwdriver like this. So I'll put all the parts and all the tools that you need to do this down in the description box below. Thanks. So next, just use your long screwdriver, unscrew your bottom panel. And once you've got your bottom panel off, set it to the side for a thorough cleaning. So next, this is where the part gets tricky, and it really just depends on what kind of floor that you have. Here I've got just a cheap laminate floor, or linoleum, whatever you call this junk. And that's why I'm replacing it with tile. So what you're going to want to have to do is be really careful not to scratch your floor up or pull it up like I did in previous videos. So yeah, so just be careful, just wiggle it back and forth. You want to be super careful. You want to watch these top pieces up here, because they will grab the edge of your countertops. Yeah, be really careful about that. So just wiggle it back and forth, up and down, side to side, round and round. You know the drill. Just finagle it till you gotta get it out of there. Okay, so eventually you will make it to where it's coming out, and you may have feet on it at the bottom. Almost all these have feet. You can adjust that too, so that way you have enough clearance to get it across your floor and then down from underneath the lip of your countertop. She's coming! Yes! Oh. And then I'm pulling up my floor, because honestly I don't really care, because I'm pulling it up in about a couple hours anyway to replace the tile. So again, let me know what color you like for the tile. And you just want to kind of keep pulling it out. Once you get it out so far, it should be pretty straightforward. You may want to also put some towels down. I checked, there wasn't a lot of water in there, but actually there's some down in the bottom. I just didn't know about it. So put some towels down. Also, you might want to turn the water off to the supply line before you start this process. I knew mine would reach, but also keep that in mind whenever you go to replace this, that you may actually have to turn the supply line water off. Also, get your cleaner ready and some paper towels because you're going to be cleaning, trust me. So a couple of things here. So on the back side of this dishwasher, you'll notice that there's these two prongs basically. And so if you want to remove your heating element, I'm not suggesting that for this video, but basically you just unscrew it, okay? And then you'll have a lead. You want to just pull that lead off, right? And then do that same thing for the other side, and then go into the inside of the dishwasher, and then this will just pull, whoops, this will just pull straight out. If you guys want to truly test your heating element, here's what you need to do. You need to grab you one of these, a multimeter. You want to set it to 200 ohms, and that's measuring resistance. So you'll set it to that little symbol right there, 200 ohms, okay? You're gonna want to set it down. Take one prong, put it on one. I need a table for this. So with it completely disconnected and the ends completely open, put your black on one side and your red on the other side. Doesn't really matter. Then check your multimeter. Oops. Your multimeter should read somewhere around between 15 and 30 ohms, okay? If it's over 30, it needs to be replaced. If it's under 15, it needs to be replaced. And that's just all over the place because, well, all right, hopefully this is better. So I'll put the prongs on there. Mine reads 16.6, 16.5 ohms, okay? If it's below 15, it needs to be replaced. If it's above 30, it needs to be replaced. The reason why in most of my videos I don't recommend changing it is because it's extremely hard to test. You gotta pull the entire dishwasher out, and most of the time it's just gonna be your flood switch. So I recommend replacing that. All right, but once you're back in there, okay, you're gonna basically follow these prongs, okay, and I'm gonna put this back on there. But you're going to follow the leads for the heating element, okay? Well, I'll get that in a minute. All right, you're gonna trace it back to this, that's what's called the thermal, daggone it, my light's terrible. That is right there. That is called the thermal cutoff switch, okay? And that's basically just a security safety mechanism to protect your dishwasher from overheating. That sometimes that's just a little button, okay? And it's just a reset. It will be popped out and you just need to push it back in, basically. So check that first if you want to, but that requires pulling the dishwasher out. It's kind of a pain. That's why I don't really mention that in some of my videos, but it's helped quite a few people. So anyway, give that a shot if you want to. If not, let me know. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this tip helps you. Hope it helps you fix your dishwasher for free, because all you really got to do is pull your dishwasher out safely. So just be safe first and foremost. And if you have any questions, post them down in the comment section below. Hope this helps you. If it does, like this video, leave me a comment down below. It doesn't really matter what it is. It helps the algorithm. Okay, appreciate it. Love you guys. Take care. See ya.